Now that I have your attention, welcome YouTubers. In this video, we will be looking at the hook strategy action. But before we begin, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get to the action. Action is a hook strategy. As with all hook strategies, the purpose is to begin your writing in a way that grabs the reader's attention so that they read the rest of your writing. As the name suggests, the action strategy involves focusing on the action that is occurring. It is a great way to capture a reader's attention because it creates a dynamic picture in their mind. Action can be anything from jumping on a helicopter to kneading dough and rolling it out, readying it for the oven. Basically, anything you are writing about can involve action. Since anything can involve action, here are 3 things to remember when using the action strategy. Number 1. Start in the middle of the action. A common mistake that writers make is that they begin their story at a boring point. Getting out of bed, receiving a phone call, having a meal. This will not hook a reader in because they are not interesting moments. Think about a spy story. If you were writing a spy story, it is much better to start in the middle of a mission, hacking away at a computer to steal important information, than if you were to start writing about the spy, maybe receiving the mission or talking on the phone. Number 2, use verbs, interesting ones. Verbs are action words, so of course we need to use them. However, the more care you take into selecting interesting verbs, the more successful you are going to be in hooking in a reader. For example, they ran could be they bolted, they charged, they rushed. The greater effort you take with your choice of verb, the more engaging your writing will be. Number 3, describe, describe, describe. Because you are starting in the middle of the action, remember to take time to describe the scene. What can you see, smell, hear, taste, and feel? If you focus on this, you will paint a really vivid picture for your audience. Now let's see how all these 3 tips look when writing. The spy. The spy crept silently through the room. With expert precision, he lifted the documents off the desk and made his way to the window for his escape. This is a great use of action because we are thrown into the middle of the spy's mission and a picture is being formed in our minds. Baking. Kneading, rolling, and baking. The smell of freshly baked bread filled the room as the oven cooked away. In this example, by focusing on the actions in the bakery and describing the smell of fresh bread, this hook will certainly grab the attention of a reader. Well, there you have it, the hook technique action. Give it a try and share your writing in the comment section below. It would be great to see your writing. Thanks for coming, and remember to keep taking your writing to the next level.